You know how right now AI feels like it's everywhere? We're at this point where you've got ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, DeepSeek. The list keeps growing each and every single month. And the funny thing is, each one is good at something different. ChatGPT is amazing at conversation. Claude is surprisingly strong with writing and reasoning. Gemini has this crazy integration with Google tools. And Grok, well, it's Elon's thing. But if you actually want to use all of them, you end up bouncing between different websites, paying for multiple subscriptions, and try to remember which one was the best for which task. It gets messy, it gets expensive, and honestly, it does get overwhelming. That's why when I came across ChatLLM, it really stopped me in my tracks, because this isn't just another AI app. It's kind of like the control center for every AI model you'd want to use. Imagine opening up just one platform and having ChatGPT 5, Claude 4.5, Gemini 2.5, Grok 4, DeepSeek, and much more right at your fingertips, all side by side. You can literally test them against each other, pick the one you like, or let ChatLLM's own feature called RouteLLM decide for you. Think of RouteLLM as a smart router that sends your query to whichever AI is the most likely to give you the best answer. So instead of you guessing whether Claude will write the better essay or ChatGPT 5 will code faster, RouteLLM just handles it for you. And before we dive into everything, just a quick heads up, this video is sponsored by ChatLLM. So if you want to try it for yourself, I left a link for you guys in the description and the pinned comment. Just make sure you click the link within the first couple of minutes of watching, because trust me, once you see how this works, you're going to want to try it out right away. Now, here's where things get interesting. ChatLLM isn't just text. It also supports images and video generation with some of the most popular providers out there. We're talking Seedream 4.0, Flux, Recraft, Ideogram, and even ChatGPT's own image model. And for video, you've got heavy hitters like Sora 2, Runway, Luma Labs, and Kling. I'll give you guys an example. The other day, I used Flux to generate an image of a futuristic city skyline, and it came out looking stunning. But then I had ChatLLM's humanize feature rewrite the caption for me. Normally, AI captions sound like, well, AI. A little too robotic, a little too perfect. Humanize took that text and rewrote it in a way that felt natural, like something I'd actually type out myself. And sometimes I'd hit the button a couple of times until it nailed the tone that I wanted. It's a small feature, but if you've ever worried about AI text sounding too artificial, Humanize is a lifesaver. But now let's talk about the real powerhouse here. Deep Agent. And I'm not exaggerating when I say this is one of the most impressive AI features I've seen bundled into a subscription. Deep Agent can do just about everything. I've tested it on creating a website, building quick apps, putting together full presentations, even generating travel plans with activities, flights, and hotels. And the thing is, it's not just spitting out suggestions, it's like having a mini virtual assistant that gets the job done. And then we have Deep Agent Desktop, which takes it a step further. This is basically ChatLLM's coding assistant, and according to benchmarks, it actually beats Claude Code and GPT-5 on a lot of tasks. When I tested it, it felt like a blend of a coding partner and an editor rolled into one. The crazy part is, this comes included for free with your ChatLLM subscription. If you've ever paid for separate AI coding tools, you know that this is a big deal. Now let's shift gears a bit. ChatLLM isn't just built for solo users. If you work in a team, it's built to scale with you. You can invite other people into your workspace, share conversations, and collaborate seamlessly. And it does connect with tools businesses already use, like Slack, Teams, Google Drive, OneDrive. That means you can literally build chatbots or AI agents on top of the systems your team is already plugged into. And there is no hard limit on how many people you can invite. So you just pay $10 per user per month. For startups or even big companies, that's a huge deal. So what does all of this cost? That's the part that honestly surprised me the most. ChatLLM is only $10 a month. For that price, you get 2 million compute points. Now, I know compute points might sound confusing, but here's the simple breakdown. Think of them as credits you can use and spend across all the AI features on the platform. So 2 million compute points translates into over 15 million input tokens on advanced models like GPT-4o or Claude Sonnet. If you're more visual, that's about 400 premium images or 50 short videos you can generate every single month. And it's not just about the limits. You also get flexibility. Some models like DeepSeek Fast and Llama 405B are totally unlimited. So if you just want to keep chatting, coding, or experimenting without worrying about usage, you can. And if you do ever run out of compute points, you can buy more and even roll over unused extras into the next month. Now, I know what some of you guys are probably thinking. What about the privacy? That's a fair question. DeepSeek, for example, is hosted in the US. Your data isn't being sent to China, and it's not being used for training. That's a big reassurance, especially if you're using AI for sensitive work. And if you ever decide it's not for you, you can cancel directly in the billings page. No hidden hoops, no endless email threats. So here's my takeaway. ChatLLM feels less like just another AI app and more like an AI control center. I've been using it as sort of the one-stop dashboard where I can access everything: text, images, video, coding tools, even team collaborations. Instead of paying separate subscriptions for OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, Midjourney, Runway, ChatLLM just puts them all together under one roof with a single subscription for a fraction of the price. And for me personally, it's the convenience that just seals it. I don't have to remember which AI is the best at what. If I want to write a script, I can run it through RouteLLM and instantly see the strongest draft. If I want visuals for a thumbnail, I can generate one right inside the platform. If I want to tweak my captions so they don't sound robotic, Humanize is just one click away. It just simplifies the chaos of having too many AI tools scattered around. So yeah, if you're even just a little bit curious, I highly recommend trying this out. I've left a link in the description and the pinned comment. Click it, explore the features, and see for yourself why ChatLLM might just be the best AI hub you didn't know you needed. For me, it's already become a staple in my workflow, and I think a lot of you guys will feel the same.